Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So this video we're gonna cover two things. We're gonna cover a announcement I got. So I decided to tell you guys. We also got Look at Miss Ohio tutorial by Gillian Welch, and Band of the Heathen plays as well too. So we're gonna go over that tutorial, and there's going to be two links here if you're watching this video late. There's going to be one video of what I'm about to cover in the announcement, which is going to be my own personal music video to my own self-produced song. So I'm excited for you guys to see that. And the second is going to be a link to the cover video that we're going to have of me playing Look at Miss Ohio. So let's talk about the announcement a little bit. I worked really hard for probably a good close to a month on producing this song and making this music video. So this is some stuff we are very proud of to put out and show. And I can't tell you how many songs I've wrote that I just said to myself, this isn't good enough, I gotta have something better. And we finally came out with this one, and we're gonna put this out, and it's a sure thing. It's coming out really soon. So I wanted to give you guys an update on that, and that's part of the reason why, I haven't been quite doing as many tutorials, because I've been really busy writing my own songs. I got a lot of other songs coming up here too. So if you guys enjoy that, obviously be sure to like and subscribe, and please share it when it comes out. So for all those of you guys that are watching this video a little bit later, I would go straight down to the description and watch it right now, unless you really want to learn this song. But it's a great song, so learn the song first. Alright, so let's get into this tutorial. This is Look at Miss Ohio, and this is the Gillian Welch version that I'm playing. So I don't know if Band of the Heathen plays the same way. Sounds like they do. They just have a kind of different strumming pattern. They have like a fuller set of band behind them playing different instruments like slide and other stuff. So let's go ahead and get into the song. I'm going to go ahead and tell you there is 6 different chords to this song, I believe. So we're going to have F, C, G, A minor. So there's 4 chords, and then that's all going to be in your verses and your chorus. The only time that there's different chords is going to be in your break, which is in between. So the song's written, starts off on the chorus, which is thrown in as like a verse, and then goes to the first verse after that, technically the first. And then we go into a break, and then it goes into had her arms around her shoulder like a regimental soldier, I believe. And those chords in between that all is going to be D7 and A7. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and play you how the chorus and the verse is going to sound. Repeat itself to F, C, G, and it's going to repeat that kind of phrase 2 times where it's just the F, C, and G. So the structure of this verse and chorus is going to basically just be F, C, G, A minor, back to G, and then that's when you go into the F, C, G. So you're going to play G as basically 2 times in a row to fill in for the A minor and the G. So you're just going to skip the A minor, go straight to G, play that. It's going to be F, C, G, and then F, C, G again, and then you're going to go into your next verse or chorus or bridge. So let's go ahead and talk about the bridge. Like I was saying, it's going to be D7, it's going to be an A7 as well. So it kind of comes in right off, I'm going to go ahead and play that last kind of phrase of chords right before. So it's going to be F, Okay, so that's the song right there. I'm going to talk about the structure real quick. And so if you could figure out how to play the verse, the chords, and then figure out how to play that bridge, you're all set to go. So it's going to start off with the chorus, and then it's going to go into the first verse. It's going to go into the bridge. And it's going to go into the second verse. It's going to go into the chorus. It's going to go into the third verse, chorus, and it's going to repeat a couple lines from the chorus, and you're going to end on that. Okay, so that was the whole verse right there. And the only time you're going to change it up is going to be when you go into that break with D7 and A7. So that is how you play Look at Miss Ohio. So I appreciate you guys watching this video, and I really hope you guys check out the new music video that we post here in the near future. And definitely check out this cover video. So I'm really excited for you guys to check all this out. And please give me feedback, and thanks for watching.